Hey everyone, welcome back to Tecktoniq. Are you a product manager but sometimes feel lost in all the tech talk? Wondering what SDLC is and why it even matters? Don't worry, in this video, I will break down the software development lifecycle in the simplest way and show you exactly why it's super important for product managers. This presentation focuses on helping product managers understand the SDLC, how it works, why it's important, what role a product manager plays in each phase, which SDLC model and tools are commonly used, and how to navigate challenges while building successful products. Whether you are working with agile, waterfall, or hybrid models, understanding SDLC ensures smoother collaboration with developers, timely releases, and products your users will love. So let's start with the basics. What is SDLC? SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. It's the process used by tech teams to plan, design, build, test, and launch software products. Think of it as a roadmap that takes an idea all the way to a working app or website in user's hand. If you want to know in detail about SDLC, please do visit the Tecktoniq YouTube channel. There is a separate video on SDLC. Why product manager should care about SDLC. So now you might ask, I'm not writing code, so why should I care? Well, here's why it matters to you as a product manager. It aligns your product vision with what devs build. It helps you create realistic plans and timelines. It makes cross team communication smoother. It helps spot problems early and reduce risk. Role of a product manager in SDLC. Here's a quick breakdown of the 7 key phases of SDLC you will deal with as a product manager: planning, defining goals, scope, and success metrics; requirement gathering, talking to users and stakeholders; design phase, working with designers for UI UX and architecture; development phase, engineers start building features; testing phase, quality analyst team check for bugs and quality; deployment, this is the phase where you launch the product; and maintenance, it fixes issues, release updates, keep improving. So now we will see the tools that product manager use in SDLC. Jira or Trello tool used for backlog and task tracking. Figma or Adobe XD used for design collaboration. Confluence or Notion used for docs and product specs. Slack or Teams used for team communication. Asana or Monday.com used for project tracking and timelines. Okay, now let's see the real world application. If you are building a new health app, you collect user feedback for features, work with designers for mockups, break features into user stories for devs, conduct sprint reviews with QA, and launch MVP and monitor feedback. Alright, now let's talk about the real stuff, the challenges product manager often faced during the SDLC. Everything sounds smooth on a paper, but when the project actually begins, things can get tricky. Here are the top 5 challenges most PMs run into and how to handle them. The first one is changing requirements, and the second one is poor communication between teams. Third is missed deadlines. Fourth is testing bottlenecks. Fifth is lack of stakeholder alignment. The solution is regular stand ups, clear documentation, prioritize roadmap, close coordination with dev and design. So, in conclusion, SDLC is not just a developer thing, it's your secret weapon to plan better, build better, and lead like a pro. If you understand the flow, you can work with your tech team more effectively and deliver amazing products your users will love. A product manager who understands SDLC becomes the bridge between vision and execution. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Tecktoniq.